I've made $100,000 this month in OFM industry, and that's by far the best month I ever made. And you know what's the funniest part is that I don't even need a real model to make it work. Actually, I've made this money with a real OnlyFans model, but if you plan to copy my strategy and you are doing AI influencer, you can definitely do the same. There is no differences between an AI model and a real model for that strategy. So my name is Manila, and it's been 3 years that I'm into the OFM industry. I've done everything in this business. I had a lot of models, I've made a lot of money with influencers, I got scammed. Almost every model I had, I lost them, and I had to do everything back to zero over and over again. I had to start from scratch and find another model, praying Jesus Christ that she will not scam me. And at the end of the day, I found my model, and yeah, she is a Colombian model, and so I'm making good money with her. She is stable, she's not a crazy girl taking some, some strange shit. Actually, I'm not selling you a dream in this video. It took me 3 years to make this money. Every people watching this video and thinking, okay, I will do the same and I will make 100K a month. Wait, first do your errors, first do it, and then we will see. But I will show you the reality of that business. I will not sell you a dream, I will show you the reality. So first of all, let me explain you the strategy. It's called Mass DM. So for the ones who don't know what is Mass DM, let me explain you how it works. Really simple. So before starting, we need a setup. So what is the setup? For example, you will have 50 Instagram accounts. That will be your AI model accounts, for example, and we will link a chatbot on IG. And that chatbot, what it will do is that when someone will subscribe to your model, the chatbot will automatically accept the friend request, and it will send a first DM saying like, hey, how are you? And then the guy replying, and the conversation is made for like 1, 2, 3 days. It's chatting and making the guy fall in love with the model. So after that, the chatbot will send a link. So it will send your link, your OnlyFans or 5-view links to the subscriber, and he will subscribe for $5 a month. And that's what I'm doing. He will subscribe for $5, and the next month we set up $50 renewal, and they forget about it. So the next month you get $50, and they don't even know that it's taken from their credit card. Some of them, they see that it's a transaction that they didn't want, so they asking for a refund. And yeah, it happens sometimes, but most of them don't even realize that they have a $50 less in their bank account every month. So you can get like a recurring revenue every month only with the subscription. So this is the first part. Then we will have the chatting part where we're gonna make the money. But first, with this strategy, you already can make tons of money, like good money to live. So when you have your setup done, what you will do, look, you need to buy 1,000 accounts. And with those 1,000 accounts, you will just import them inside a mass DM software. And this software, what he will do, it will target like 50,000 whole grandpa, like you will target 50,000 users. It will say, hey, my friend thinks you are cute. You should add her on IG. So every one of our 1,000 accounts will send DMs to all of these people. And what they will do, for example, you are a whole grandpa watching TV, you see one message, someone saying, hey, my girlfriend likes you, you should add her on Instagram. This guy will be curious, and he will add her on Instagram to see what happens. And then that's the moment where you have your 50 IG accounts, where you set up your chatbot inside it. Your chatbot will receive the ad request, it will accept it, and it will start to chat with the guy until he subscribes to OF. That's the strategy. So now that you understand better the strategy, I will show you everything, how to do it step by step. Now we have to create the 50 Instagram page that I told you before, This Instagram, you need them to have the chatbot, to chat with the followers and everything. You need enough content to make your account looks like a real girl. You need 12 pictures, stories, maybe a bit of fake followers that you can purchase. And also, you need to spoof the pictures, because if you're using exactly the same pictures on 50 accounts, your accounts will get banned like really quickly. So you need a spoofer. What is a spoofer? Spoofer is like changing little things inside the pictures to make it look unique. So visually, it's exactly the same pictures, but the algorithm will think that it's always like one new pictures for each account. So actually for the spoofer, I'm sharing it on my Telegram, so you can jump on my Telegram and I will send you my spoofer. You just have to go on my bot, you write /spoof, okay? Now, when you write /spoof, it's asking you to drop the document, so you will put like 12 pictures. You will ask, I want 50 times those 12 pictures, okay, generating, boom. Then it will generate you the content spoofed. Okay, so now that we have the content for your IGs, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna create them. And to create your IGs, we need every time one unique phones. And for that, we're not gonna buy 15 phones. That's stupid. We're gonna use cloud phone solution. It's like exactly the same as having a real phone physically, but it's everything on your computer and the phone are really undetectable. So you can create like 10 accounts on 10 different phones and it will be with unique IP, unique UID. So Instagram cannot ban your account. When you have created 50 IGs on 50 cloud phone, then you have to post on this account to make it looks real. But you cannot post like every pictures in one day. No, it's not good. You have to post 3 posts per day and maybe 3 stories, and you do it for 4 days. So you have 4 days to warming up those accounts. So you warm up by watching reels a little bit, posting. So why I'm asking you to post like every day a little bit for 4 days, doing warm-up activity, etc. You have to do it because your account will get banned. If you don't do it, your account will get banned because IG don't like when a new accounts come up and have straight away like conversation with a chatbot. You know, it's not really good. They will understand that something is wrong with that account and they will ban it straight away. So you need your account to be warmed up. You need posting every day. You need watching a little bit of story. And when you have 50 accounts that are warmed up, you're good. So once you have your accounts created and warmed up, you're going to install AdsPower. So what is AdsPower? That's exactly the same, but for Navigator, for computer. And then we are going to put a chatbot inside it. So about the name of that chatbot, I will share it on my Telegram, so you can send me a DM and I will send you the name of that chatbot. So now, let's say we have the chatbot set up on every account. Now we have to do the most important things, because without this thing, everything we did until now is useless. We need to make the traffic with MassDM. So let me explain you how it works. So we're going to use that softwares and we are going to upload every account we bought before. Let's say 1,000 accounts. So you upload them. Okay, we have all the accounts here. Here you can write all the targets. So you put all the username of the people. For example, those 50,000 people, you're gonna write everything here. Then here you're gonna write the messages. And here, you're gonna start to send DM. So how it looks like, I will show you right now. So I just received a DM. I will show you to the screen. I received a DM from one of my accounts. And as you can see, it's the same kind of DM. Let's check my profile. Okay, let's check up. Okay, and now if we subscribe to that account, chatbot will start to talk with me and make me want to subscribe to the OF. But I will not do it because I'm not a fucking creep guy, okay?
Okay.
So let me explain you a little bit. For example, you have your 50 accounts. Every one of that account receive 10 followers per day. So meaning you have 500 followers every day. You have chatbot speaking with all of them. Let's say you have 10% conversion rate. That's the average. You get 10%, you are really good. So you get 10%, meaning 50 people per day will subscribe to your OnlyFans $5, meaning $250 per day that you are going to make. And that's just the subscription. That's not the renew of $50 that you can have with some people. That's not the chatting. That's just the subscription, $250 per day. Basically, you can do $1,000 every day, because if you have chatting, recurring payment, subscription, you can get $1,000 per day with that strategy. So this strategy is unique. There is a lot of people that are using that strategy and that are making money, and there is also a lot of people using that strategy and that are making zero money. You know why? Because the most important thing is the accounts that you're going to use for sending the DMs. The problem is that this account, if it's a shit auto-registered account, it will get banned after 3 DMs, or even they are not getting banned, but they are going into hidden message. And when they are going into hidden message, you're done. You're done. The guy will not see it. So it's really important to have good accounts. And I have a really good provider that I really struggle to find. So you can subscribe to my channel, comment, likes. I will be really happy. And yeah, just text me on Telegram if you have any question. See you.